Hello everyone. I have already started this painting. What I did for the background was the bubble technique. I did a few different colors, green, yellow. I might have added a little bit of purple and then let it dry and decided to put rocks, outline some rocks on the bottom. I'm going to do a castle in the middle and two kind of spooky looking trees on the sides. And yeah, that's what I'm going to do today. I will be doing another video on how I did the bubble technique. It's once you do a few different layers, it kind of blends in a bit, but it makes a good background for a nice watercolor, for like a landscape or something like this. So anyway, I've already penciled in the castle. It's just kind of like a cartoon type castle. It's not going to be very detailed, and the trees are going to be just roughly added in, and I'm going to be using my pigment liner, or it's waterproof. I use this a lot in my watercolors. All right, so I will I will start drawing this, and then I will do the two trees. And it's going to be in the distance, so you might not see a lot of the land part of it. I just got the picture of this castle from the internet. Making it slightly different than what it is. Just going to mark shadows in here with lines. All right, I think that's all I'm going to do. What I might do after is add a really bright yellow for the windows. All right, stop there. All right, now I'm going to fill in the trunk, some of the branches. I'll do another layer on this after it dries because I'm going over some dark colors on the on the base, on the background. All right. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye for now.